Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into the hotspot.webui step by step. So whether you're trying to manage your mobile hotspot settings, change the Wi-Fi password or check the connected devices, this guide is going to help you access the hotspot admin page properly. Now, before even opening the login page, you just have to make sure that your phone, laptop or your tablet is connected to the mobile hotspot Wi-Fi network first. Now, in order to connect it, you just have to simply open your phone or your laptop's Wi-Fi settings. When you are inside the Wi-Fi settings, make sure that the Wi-Fi is turned on. So when you click on the Wi-Fi icon over here, you are going to see all of the networks you can connect your laptop or your phone with. So among these, you just have to simply select the network and then you just have to basically connect it. Now, if your device is not connected directly to the hotspot, the hotspot.webui page usually will not load correctly. After doing so, you just have to simply open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, simply search for hotspot.webui. Now over here, you will find this particular page. So you just have to click on it. Now over here, click on the option of login, then click on the option of login again. So this is going to redirect you on the hotspot.webui page where you just have to simply enter your login credentials and login into your account. Now, if this particular page doesn't work for you, you can just simply try these IP addresses. So the first one is 192.168.01 and the second one is 192.168.1.1. So some of the hotspot models use direct IP addresses instead of the hotspot.webui. So that's how you can find it. Thank you for watching.